Arabic gum is a natural remedy that many people use for weight loss, regulating blood sugar levels, and treating irritable bowel syndrome and digestive problems. In today's video, we're going to explore the most important medical benefits of Arabic gum, how to use it properly, the recommended dosage, and who should avoid using it. Arabic gum contains extremely high levels of fiber that help slow down the digestion process. This delays the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, which helps regulate blood sugar levels for people with diabetes. It also protects against type 2 diabetes for those in the insulin-resistant stage or pre-diabetic phase. The second benefit of Arabic gum is helping with natural weight loss due to the effect of fiber that provides a feeling of fullness for a long period. It reduces hunger for up to 8 hours, which helps decrease hunger hormone levels, increase satiety hormones, and achieve natural weight loss. The third benefit is reducing harmful cholesterol and triglyceride levels in the blood. The fiber in Arabic gum delays the absorption of fats present in food, which has a clear effect on reducing levels of triglycerides and harmful cholesterol. This plays a very important role in preventing high blood pressure, heart disease, and atherosclerosis. Arabic gum is considered a natural nutrient for beneficial bacteria and helps increase them by up to 10% within just 1 month. It also has a very important effect in increasing the thickness of the mucous membrane lining the stomach wall, which helps treat acidity, stomach ulcers, intestinal ulcers, and colon issues. The fifth benefit is treating inflammation due to its content of very powerful anti-inflammatory properties that help treat various types of inflammation, especially joint inflammation. Arabic gum helps clean the kidneys of toxins, helps get rid of kidney stones, and plays a very important role in reducing elevated creatinine levels in the blood, which protects against chronic kidney failure. The seventh benefit is improving oral and dental health by preventing the proliferation of bacteria in the mouth and strengthening. This reduces gum sensitivity, inflammation, and bleeding, and plays an important role in treating dental infections and reducing the accumulation of tartar and plaque on teeth. Arabic gum also treats sore throat and cough due to its anti-inflammatory effect, an important role in moisturizing the throat and reducing irritation of the mucous membranes in the throat and chest. This has a clear effect on treating throat congestion and treating associated symptoms such as voice changes or hoarseness, and also plays a very important role in treating cough. All these benefits are found in Arabic gum, which you can use daily at an average of 30 to 40 grams per day, equivalent to 2 to 3 tablespoons of Arabic gum powder. You can consume it as a hot or cold drink or add it to food. You can also use Arabic gum in its natural form by soaking it in water for an hour and drinking the Arabic gum infusion at an average of 2 to 3 cups per day. The best time to take Arabic gum is 1 hour before eating. People who suffer from fiber allergies should avoid Arabic gum, as well as pregnant women. It's also best not to take Arabic gum with medications in general, especially antibiotics, as it may reduce the absorption of these drugs and reduce their effectiveness. It's best not to take Arabic gum for more than 6 consecutive weeks, as it may cause some symptoms in the digestive system for some people, such as diarrhea and bloating. May you always have health and wellness. Peace, mercy, and blessings of God be upon you.